Simplifying the things I own helps reduce stress in my life. Owning a lot of things has become a status symbol of wealth. But having many material objects doesn't always equal being rich. When is having enough enough? Before I began living minimally over 14 years ago, I had closets filled with clothes, shelves stacked to the top with items, knickknacks on every surface, and a garage that was stuffed to capacity. Yet, I was not wealthy. And having an overwhelming amount of things didn't make me happy either. In truth, all of the clutter just made me anxious and stressed and overwhelmed. I live intentionally, and I'm mindful of how my actions impact all aspects of my life. Owning less stuff has benefited my physical and mental well-being along with my bank account. Having a home filled with things triggers my anxiety. Clutter makes me feel claustrophobic, like I'm lost in the abyss of objects, which is a very overwhelming feeling to have. This constant tension eventually began to take its toll on my mental health. It's challenging to be happy when I'm feeling overwhelmed and anxious by all of the things I own. My environment plays a direct role in my peace of mind. I love my home to feel peaceful, like my own little personal sanctuary away from the chaos of the outside world. Having a tidy, clutter-free home is calming. It soothes me. I can relax and settle into the comfort of my home. I have a limited amount of time and energy. Every object I own takes both time and energy to purchase, clean, repair, and move. I used to have large shelves filled with household decor. I spent countless hours organizing, cleaning, rearranging the multitude of knickknacks. I wasted so much precious time and energy on inanimate objects that didn't really mean anything to me, when I could have used that time doing things I enjoyed and improve my life. Every possession takes up mental space, from thinking about the purchase to deciding where to put it, and of course, what to do with it when I'm done with it. My mind was preoccupied with material objects, making it more difficult to focus. Our minds must process everything we see, including visual clutter. Simplifying my belongings frees up mental space. One less object is one less thing I need to think about. Always wanting more left me feeling empty. By continually chasing more things to fill my emotional bucket, I was chasing the unattainable happiness. Gratitude turns what I have into enough. Owning only the items I need, love, and are useful to me, I appreciate every item I have. I have few physical possessions, but I'm grateful for each item because they each serve a purpose in my life. Gratitude is the cornerstone for contentment. I discovered that the less I owned, the more content I was. I'm not looking for the next thing to buy. I'm perfectly content with the things I already have. Being content feels like I finally arrived. I can just relax and enjoy life now, just as it is. Owning less has made me far more productive because, well, it's quicker to find exactly what I need. And with less objects to manage, I'm more organized. It's easier to get work done because I'm less distracted by the visual clutter, which is also helping me be more efficient. My mind loves to live in the past and think about the future. Possessions are one way my mind wanders, thinking about organizing and decluttering messy rooms, or about a cute dress that I saw that I might want to buy. The less stuff I think about either buying or think about the items I already own and how to organize them allows me to be more present in the moment. Stuff costs money. When we were downsizing due to the 2008 recession, I was sick about how much money I had spent on things I was now donating or selling for a couple of dollars at a yard sale. I truly regretted spending money on temporary items when I could have saved or invested that same money. The less things I buy, the more money I can put away for retirement. Living minimally, when I do make a purchase, I tend to buy quality over quantity. I take my time and choose wisely. I don't shop to collect more things. I am very deliberate with every purchase I make. Owning less doesn't mean living without. For me, it's about being mindful of the things I possess. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing. Have a beautiful day, my friends.